Today we are going to start quadratic equation. First we will explain what is polynomial. Ax, it is the monomial. If you will write ax plus b, it is the binomial. If you will write ax square plus bx plus c, it is the trinomial. If a polynomial having degree 2 is equal to 0, where a is ABC belong to R, means ABC are the real number and a is not equal to 0, then it is a quadratic equation. It is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c, it is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we will define what is quadratic equation. An equation in variable x having degree 2 is called a quadratic equation. Now rule first. Every quadratic equation has two rules. Suppose that x square minus 16 it is equal to 0. Then we can write x square is equal to 16. Then we can write x is equal to plus minus square root 16. This is equal to plus minus 4. There are two rules, plus 4 and minus 4. Now, rule 2. The product of two factors, if the product of two factors is equal to 0, then one or another are equal to 0. Then the first or the other factor are equal to 0. First, x is equal to 0. Second, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This is the rule second. The product of two factors is equal to 0. Then one is equal to 0 or other is equal to 0. Now, to solve a quadratic equation, we work as under. Step 1. To express as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Second, factorize ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Third, put each factor equal to 0. Fourth, solve the equation. Solve the factor. Solve the equation. These are the 4 steps to solve a quadratic equation. Now, problem 1. Solve 9x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6. First we see here in the second term there is x in the denominator. So multiplying both sides by x, we get 9x square plus x into 1 upon x is equal to 6 into x. X cancel. This implies that 9x square minus 6x, this 6x bring here, minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Here middle term is minus 6x. So what is the coefficient of x square? And 9. And what is the constant term? 1. First we will multiply A into C. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. What is the factor of 9? 3 into 3 is equal to 9. And 9 into 1 is equal to 9. There are two factors. Now we can take the suitable factor by subtracting 9 and 1. We can't get 6, but by adding 3 and 3 we get 6. By splitting the middle term, we write here 9x square minus, in the middle term we will write down here 3 plus 3. The middle term can be split as the sum of the factor or the difference of the factor. So we will add 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. But 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then we will add here 3x plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this implies that 9x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that 3x is common. Now 3x minus 1, and here there is no common, so we will take 1 common. Now you will write down here 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. We see here in the middle these two factors, this is the same, 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. This should be same. If these are same, then I will understand, it is sure that my factorization is absolutely correct. Otherwise not. 3x minus 1 is the common factor, and another factor is 3x minus 1. Now, here we get the same factor, 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. So, 3x is minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that 3x is equal to 1. This implies that x is equal to 1 by 3. Another factor gives the same value. There are two roots. X is equal to 1 by 3, comma 1 by 3. Same factor. This is the solution of the quadratic equation. Now, second problem, 9x to the power 4 plus 20 is equal to 29x square. This is a quadratic equation, but here degree of the equation is 4. So we will reduce this equation as a quadratic equation. This is the method to solve the quadratic equation by reducible method. Now we will put x square is equal to y. Put x square is equal to y. Then we can write here 9x square whole square plus 20 is equal to 29x square. Now we will put in place of x square, we will write here y. Then it will become 9y square plus 20 is equal to 29y. This implies that 9y square minus 29y plus 20, it is equal to 0. This implies that 9y square minus, now we see here a is equal to 9 and c is equal to 20. A into c, 9 into 20. By the product of A and C, we get, to split the middle term, first we will multiply the coefficient of the y square with the constant number 9 into 20, and we see here 9 plus 20 is equal to 29. So we will write down here 9y plus 20y plus 20, it is equal to 0. We have split the middle term 29y as 9y plus 20y. Then we will write down here 9y square minus 9y minus 20y plus 20, it is equal to 0. Now take out common, 9y is common, so you will write down here y minus 9y divided by 9y, it is equal to 1. Now here 20 and 20 is common, taking out 20 common, we get here y, and this sign will change into minus, 20 ones are 20. Now we see here y minus 1 and y minus 1 is common, so it is sure that my solution is absolutely correct. Now we write y minus 1 as the first factor and 9y minus 20 is the second factor. Now we will solve we will equate y minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 1, and second 9y is equal to 20, therefore y is equal to 20 by 9. Now at last we will put in place of y, we will write down x square. First y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So you will write down here x square is equal to 1. We will find the value of x, then it is equal to plus minus 1. Under root 1 means 1. Now second, y is equal to 20 by 9. Put here x square is equal to 20 upon 9. Remove the square sign and make under root. X is equal to plus minus under root 20 by 9. This is the answer. There are two roots here and two roots here. Fourth degree equation has four roots. Nth degree equation has n roots. If an equation has power 5, then there will be 5 roots. If an equation has n roots, there will be n. If an equation has power n, highest power n, then there will be n roots. Answer is plus 1, minus 1, plus root 20 by 9, minus root 20 by 9. These are the four roots, and this is the solution of this quadratic equation. Now, solving quadratic equation by formula method. You know that in earlier classes you have read Sridharacharya formula and Umar Khayyam formula. Now, if a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are the real number, then there is a formula, Sridharacharya formula, to find the value of x. Using this formula, we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here A is the coefficient of x square, B is the coefficient of x, and x is the constant term. Then there is a formula to find the value of the variable x. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Now there is a problem from exercise 5c. Y minus, question number 15, y minus 3 upon y is equal to, y minus 3 upon y is equal to 1 upon 2. It is the problem. Now, first we will write this equation as the standard form. Here y is in the denominator, so we will multiply both sides by y. We will multiply this y by y, then we get y square minus y into 3 upon y is equal to 1 upon 2 into y. Both sides we have multiplied by y. Y and y cancel. Then this is equal to y square minus 3 is equal to y upon 2. Now we will, to remove 2 from here, we will multiply both sides by 2. We get 2y square minus 2 3s are 6. It is equal to y upon 2 into 2, 2 cancel, this is equal to y. Now, quadratic equation is 2y square minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1, this is no any number, so here is 1. Minus 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Then apply formula, we will find the value of y. Y is equal to minus b. Minus b, we will write down here b. Value of b is minus 1. Minus b plus minus b square means minus 1 square. B square minus 4 into a is equal to 2. And c is equal to minus 6 upon 2 into a is equal to 2. Now we find here minus 1, it will become plus 1, 1 plus minus 1 square is equal to 1, minus 4 into minus is equal to plus. 4 to the 8, 6 are 48. 48, 1 plus 48 is equal to 49 upon 4. This is equal to 1 plus minus 7. What is the square root of 49? It is plus minus 7 upon 4. The first root is y is equal to 1 minus 7 upon 4. This is equal to minus 6 upon 4. It is equal to minus 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, minus 3 by 2. And second, y is equal to 1 plus 7 upon 4. It is equal to 8 upon 4. It is equal to 2. The answer is minus 3 by 2 is the first root and 2 is the second root. This is the solution of the quadratic equation by formula method. To examine the nature of the roots, if b square minus 4ac, it is called discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is positive, that is greater than 0, then then the roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is positive, that is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. There are two cases. First, b square minus 4ac is a perfect square. Then roots are real, rational and distinct. Second case, if b square minus 4ac. Second case, if b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, then roots are real, irrational and distinct. Second case, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are equal. Then roots are real and equal. Third case, if b square minus 4ac is negative, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative, then roots are not real. It is imaginary. It means that if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, there are two cases. It may be a perfect square, then the roots are real, rational and distinct. Second case, b square minus 4ac is not a perfect square, then roots real, irrational and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots will be equal and real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is, if the discriminant is negative, then the roots are not real, it will be